If you need to bake a whole bunch of great tasting pumpkin bread for the holidays, here's how you do it. You start with 16 eggs, 7.5 cups of pumpkin puree, and this is to make 16 loaves of pumpkin bread, 2.5 cups of water, 12 cups of sugar because it's Christmas. Here's 4 cups of vegetable oil, and you just want to get this all mixed in.
There you go.
Okay, once that first round of ingredients is done, you're going to want to add 14 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Thank you, Dave.
Yep.
And the final thing is 1 secret spice bomb blend. I'd tell you what's in it, but Mom would kill me. All right. Pour them into your tin, fill it about halfway.
Right.
Now you pop them in the oven for how long?
55 minutes.
55 minutes. And 55 minutes later, pull them out of the oven, wrap them up, and happy holidays.